Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NGN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
7 months to the November 11, 2023 governorship election in Bayelsa State, the ruling People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the main opposition, All Progressives Congress (APC), are perfecting plans to snatch victory at the polls. In this report, Inside the Niger Delta takes a look at the chances of the political gladiators in the forthcoming election, which is already at a feverish pitch.
It is another season of intense politicking in Bayelsa State as the November 11, 2023 date slated for governorship election draws near. Two major political parties, the ruling People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the main opposition All Progressives Congress (APC), are expected to slug it out in what promises to be a keen contest. So far, incumbent Governor Senator Douye Diri is the only aspirant of the PDP. And as things stand, the party may choose to adopt Senator Diri as its sole candidate in the forthcoming election. On the contrary, there are indications that the APC governorship primary election, which holds sometime in April 2023, will be a tug-of-war between former Governor Timipri Silva and David Lyon, the party's governorship candidate in 2019. In readiness for the 2023 governorship election, Mr. Lyon has obtained his party's nomination and expression of interest forms. In the same vein, Chief Silva, who has resigned his appointment as Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, is set to throw his hat in the ring. This brings the former political allies on a collision course, a development which many fear will lead the APC into the forthcoming governorship election in Bayelsa State as a divided house. The APC Progressive Consultative Forum is one of many groups averse to the ambition of Chief Silva. The group insists that the former governor of Bayelsa State is ineligible to contest the APC governorship primaries for failing to resign his membership of President MAMODE Buhari's cabinet 30 days before, as stipulated in the Electoral Act. Moreover, it argues that Mr. Lyon, who won the 2019 governorship election on the strength of the immense goodwill he enjoys in Bayelsa State, will be a more formidable candidate to wrest power from the ruling PDP. However, there are strong indications that the pendulum of victory may be swinging in the direction of Senator Douye Diri, under whose leadership the PDP swept the State Assembly and National Assembly elections on the 25th of February and 18th of March 2023. Moreover, Senator Douye Diri has since his inauguration on the 14th of February 2020 implemented to the letter his social contract with Bayelsans. Under his prosperity government, major road projects awarded many decades ago have been revived and are undergoing construction across 3 senatorial districts of Bayelsa State. In the last 3 years plus, the prosperity government has equally rolled out several economic empowerment programs to benefit Bayelsans. Under the Senator Diri administration, Bayelsa has won several laurels in sporting games like football, basketball, chess, and Scrabble. Through its deliberate policy on sports development, the government of the day has identified many young talented Bayelsans who have been offered new vistas of hope in their career. Civil servants who are a critical mass of voters in elections can also attest to having a new deal under the present administration. As part of its welfarist policy, the Senator Diri-led prosperity government has introduced prompt payment of workers' monthly salaries and gratuities due retirees. Another achievement of the Diri administration, though taken for granted by the populace, is the enthronement of the peace and security in Bayelsa State. In the last elections, the state, which was known for electoral violence, witnessed for the first time relatively peaceful polls, courtesy of the visible and invisible investments made by the Diri administration to enhance peace and security in the glory of all lands. Senator Diri's tenancy at Creek Haven ends on the 13th of February 2024 and is subject to renewal for another 4 years, as the Constitution provides. This makes him eligible to contest the upcoming governorship election in Bayelsa State. And as the November 11, 2023 date inches closer, most Bayelsans are eager to see the candidates the APC will field to lock horns with the incumbent governor. While most APC members are rooting for Mr. Lion, others are said to be backing Chief Silva as their preferred candidate. No doubt, both politicians have what it takes to make an impressive outing in the forthcoming governorship election. However, close observers of current trends in Bayelsa politics insist that Senator Douye Diri remains the man to beat at the polls. In the final analysis, all three men are gladiators in their own right and will have to strut their stuff in several anticipated political battles to be fought on the eve of November 11, 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,